Sleep with Buddhist teachings that bring you back to the present moment. Blank. Blank. Part 1. Dramatic introduction. Are you truly awake? Have you ever found yourself lying in bed, eyes closed, lights off, and yet your mind feels like it's just begun its day? The chaos, the noise, the endless train of thoughts that refuse to slow down. You stare into the darkness and feel a sense of drowning, not in water but in your own memories, fears, and expectations. It's strange, isn't it? In a time that should be defined by calm, rest, and serenity, you're held hostage by your mind. This isn't just your struggle. It's a modern human condition. Despite our technological advancements, inner peace remains elusive. We chase productivity, success, validation, but at night, when the world quiets down, the noise within gets louder. We scroll, we distract, we sedate ourselves with screens or sleep aids, hoping to escape the burden of thought. But what if escape isn't the answer? What if the path to true rest is not in running from your thoughts, but in learning to witness them without fear? Now listen carefully. Right now, in this very moment, there are millions of people lying in bed just like you. Their hearts pounding, their minds racing, their souls aching for silence. And many of them believe they are broken. But you are not broken. You are simply disconnected. Disconnected from the present, from now, from your breath, from your truth. Imagine this. You are standing in the middle of a storm. Winds are howling, the sky is black, the rain is pouring, but then someone shows you a door. A quiet, glowing door at the center of the storm. Behind that door is stillness, warmth, peace. That door is the present moment. And Buddhist teachings are the key. So tonight, you won't just sleep, you will enter that door. Not by force, not by effort, but by allowing, by listening, by breathing. This video is not just a bedtime story. It's a spiritual intervention, a return to everything you've forgotten. It is not about giving you something new, but guiding you back to what was always there, your breath, your awareness, your center. Stay with me, do not click away, because in the next few minutes, you will learn how to calm your body, ease your mind, and come home to yourself. You will hear the words that millions have needed to hear, words of the Buddha. Words of compassion, words that say, you are already enough. And if, by the end of this video, you feel even 1 ounce lighter, 1 breath deeper, then I ask only this: click subscribe, share this video, help someone else find the peace you are about to receive. Because peace is not a luxury. It is your birthright, and tonight, you are finally reclaiming it. Are you ready? Are you willing to return to yourself? Then let us begin. Part 2. The teachings, returning to the present through the Buddha's wisdom. Here, we move into the heart of our journey. With each breath, each pause, we allow the timeless wisdom of the Buddha to gently peel away the layers of stress, regret, and fear that cloud our inner clarity. Teaching 1. The breath is anchor. Buddha once said, when you realize how perfect everything is, you will tilt your head back and laugh at the sky. This doesn't mean life is free of suffering. It means that in presence, even suffering has space to soften. The breath is your constant. It doesn't abandon you. It doesn't lie. Right now, try it. Inhale slowly, hold, and exhale. Each breath grounds you. Each breath is a doorway back to the now. Mindfulness, or sati, is one of the most transformative teachings in Buddhism. To sleep mindfully means to sleep in awareness, not in fear. It means noticing when your mind wanders and gently bringing it back to your body. Teaching 2. The impermanence of thought. One of the foundational truths in Buddhism is anicca, impermanence. Nothing stays. Your worries? They come and go. Your pain? Temporary. Your thoughts? Like clouds in a sky. Imagine your thoughts as visitors knocking at your door. You don't need to invite them in. You simply nod and let them pass. Practice this. As you lay in bed, when a thought arises, label it gently. This is worry. This is planning. This is fear. And then, return to the breath. Teaching 3. The middle way of rest. Buddha taught the middle way, the path between indulgence and denial. It applies not only to behavior but also to your relationship with sleep. Don't force rest. Don't chase it. Invite it, softly. You are not weak because you struggle to sleep. You are not broken. You are simply human. And with these teachings, you can cultivate a loving relationship with your own mind. Teaching 4. Metta Bhavana. Loving kindness before sleep. A powerful bedtime practice is the metta meditation. sending loving kindness. Repeat silently. May I be safe. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I live with ease. Then extend it to others. May you be safe. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you live with ease. This softens the heart and releases emotional burdens. Blank. Underscore. Blank. Part 3. Guided closing. Sleeping in the arms of the present moment. We have journeyed far, not in distance, but in awareness. You have listened. You have breathed. You have begun to return to yourself. Now let us close the day together. Not with a sense of ending, but with a gentle beginning, of stillness, of soft surrender. Close your eyes, if they aren't closed already. Feel the air on your skin. Notice the rise and fall of your belly. Feel the bed supporting you, the earth beneath you. You are safe. You are here. You are now. Let the teachings you've heard tonight become seeds planted in the soil of your heart. As you rest, they grow silently. Patience, presence, peace. There is no place you need to be right now. No problem you need to solve. No identity you need to uphold. Just breath, just presence, just sleep. Tonight, you are sleeping not out of exhaustion, but out of alignment. You are not escaping reality, you are sinking into it. Let these final words carry you into the arms of restful sleep. As I breathe, I return to now. As I return to now, I return to peace. As I return to peace, I fall into sacred rest. The gentle descent, a journey through breath, mantra, and stillness. Let us begin. Close your eyes gently. Feel the pull of gravity. Let it remind you that the earth holds you, now, and always. No need to hold yourself up anymore. No need to strive. No need to fix anything. Tonight, you are not a name. You are not a role. You are not even a thought. You are a breath, simple, eternal, flowing. Breathe in, and breathe out. Let's begin with the breath. As a bee gathers nectar and flies away without harming the flower, so let the sage dwell on earth. The Dhammapada. With every inhale, invite calm. With every exhale, let go. Inhale, presence. Exhale, the past. Inhale, clarity. Exhale, worry. Inhale, love. Exhale, fear. Let the breath become your prayer. A silent chant whispered by your body to the universe. Now gently begin to lengthen the breath. Let the inhale stretch to a count of 4. Hold softly for 2. Exhale for 6. Feel your chest rise like the sun. Feel your shoulders sink like the moon into the sea. Let the rhythm of your breath mirror the eternal dance of nature. Sun and shadow, wave and wind, bloom and fade. You are not separate from it. You are the leaf, drifting downstream. You are the wind, moving through trees. You are the night, and the hush that cradles it. Now we invite the mantras. Words that don't fill the mind, but empty it. Sacred syllables passed down from sages, who watched stars instead of screens, who listened more than they spoke, who slept like mountains. Repeat silently or aloud if you wish. Bado, Bado, the awakened one. Aham Sukhi, Aham Santi. I am happy. I am peaceful. Sab Sata Bhavantu Sukhitata. May all beings be happy. Let these words become wings. Let them lift you out of the day. Now bring your awareness to the body. Not to analyze, but to befriend. Let the crown of the head soften. Let the space behind your eyes become wide. Relax your jaw. Your tongue rests on the roof of the mouth. Shoulders melt. Arms heavy. Belly rising. Belly falling. Feel your heart, not the organ, but the soft space that feels the world. Let it be tender. Let it be quiet. And now, imagine yourself lying on a raft of golden light, floating down a river of stillness. Around you, a forest of pine and bamboo. Fireflies blink like stars fall into earth. In the trees, owls blink slowly. They know you are safe. The air is perfumed with night jasmine. The moon rises, full and soft, a perfect pearl in the sky's palm. All is well. With each breath, the raft carries you further downstream. Past memories, past thought, past desire, toward the present, toward peace. Let's welcome Buddhist sleep affirmations. Soft lanterns to light the darkness of the mind. I am enough, just as I am. I let go of striving. I forgive myself and all beings. Nothing needs to be solved tonight. Sleep is a sacred surrender. In stillness, I awaken. Repeat the one that touches your soul. Let it echo in your heart. And now, imagine your body dissolving into the earth. Your breath becomes the wind. Your pulse becomes the rhythm of crickets. Your bones, ancient stones resting in the temple of night. You are not alone. Above you, the stars chant, you are light, you are love, you are free. Let silence wash over you. Not an empty silence, but one rich with presence. Like the pause between two notes of music. Like the hush before the dawn. In Buddhist teachings, sunyata means emptiness, not void, but spaciousness. Tonight, may you become spacious. May thoughts rise and pass like clouds over the moon. No need to catch them. No need to resist. Let everything go. Even this voice, let it become wind in the bamboo. Even the breath, let it breathe itself. Even your name, let it rest on the shelf of dreams. And if the mind stirs, offer it the loving chant. This too shall pass. Now is enough. Let go. You are wrapped in the robes of peace. You are nestled in the lap of the cosmos. You are the beloved of the Buddha nature. Let sleep come not as escape, but as a homecoming, to the vast truth, that you were always held. To the child you once were, cradled in starlight, listening to lullabies whispered by the sky. To the monk on the mountain, silent, smiling, watching lotus petals fall into still water. To the truth beyond words, that even in darkness, you are light. If this journey brought peace to your night, imagine what it could do for others. Subscribe to this channel. Share this video with someone you love. Let's ripple this calm into a chaotic world. Together, one breath, one heart, one teaching at a time. Good night, and may you awaken more whole than you were before.